In this video, we will dive into a detailed comparison between two popular smartphone stabilization tools, the PICTRON U200 and the JCROBOT iSleeky L7C. Both products are designed to enhance your video recording experience, but they come with different features and functionalities. Listen him. Let's explore what each has to offer and help you decide which one is the best fit for your needs. The PICTRON U200 stands out with its integrated ring light and power bank functionality, making it a versatile tool for vloggers who need both lighting and stabilization. In contrast, the JCROBOT iSleeky L7C focuses on providing superior stabilization with its 3-axis gimbal and AI smart tracking, ensuring that your subject remains in focus while you capture smooth footage. While the PICTRON U200 is a bit bulkier and heavier, it offers a lot of functionality in one package. On the other hand, the JCROBOT iSleeky L7C is designed for portability, weighing only 0.78 pounds, making it easier to carry around for on-the-go shooting. The PICTRON U200 is user-friendly with its easy setup, making it great for beginners. However, the JCROBOT iSleeky L7C offers advanced features like gesture control, allowing for hands-free operation, which is a significant advantage for dynamic shooting situations. In conclusion, both the PICTRON U200 and the JCROBOT iSleeky L7C have their unique strengths. If you need an all-in-one solution with lighting, the PICTRON U200 is the way to go. However, if smooth stabilization and portability are your priorities, the JCROBOT iSleeky L7C is an excellent choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.